guys, it's Leah and I want to show you today's steal. I'm super excited about it because I just got this beautiful KitchenAid mixer for Christmas and I've been seeing people put decals on it. So when we saw this, we had to bring it to you. It's actually 3 different decals and it's so perfect for Mother's Day. Sorry if it's loud in the background, it's my baby and he's running around like a wild man. It's 3 different decals and perfect for Mother's Day. Like I said, they can go on your KitchenAid. They're perfect to fit onto your KitchenAid, but they also fit so nicely on like an Instapot or, sorry, a rice cooker or even like canisters, or on the website you'll see people put them on their cutting board, obviously for more decor, or even wood or anything you want. So there's 3 different ones. One says I made a big pot of eat it or starve, which is super cute. One is for the mixer one and it says measure, mix, bake, and sprinkle. And then this one is actually perfect for fathers because it goes on a barbecue. I mean, you could put it anywhere, but it's really great for a barbecue grill because it shows the temperatures for the different meats. So anyways, we are gonna put this guy on here. It comes with directions, so no need to worry. It is really, really easy. It's good to just kind of push it down with a credit card first so that it sticks to the clear part. So then you slowly just take it off and make sure that each piece is coming off with it. And if it doesn't, then push it back in. Okay, so once you get it off the backing, now it's ready to attach to whatever surface you want. I already cleaned this. I think it says like water and alcohol or, you know, anything. You just want to make sure that your surface is clean. So we're going to take it and make it even. And then let it fall down. And then you just push it down like that. Make sure it's really good and pushed. It also, you can use a credit card too to kind of push it down. Okay, and then you just pull it down. Make sure all the little pieces are sticking. Like that. Almost there. Almost. And last little guy. Ta-da! And now it's done. And it's beautiful. So now you have a little extra pizzazz to your beautiful KitchenAid mixer. And then you can also use these for so many other places. I'm probably gonna put this guy on my canister or maybe my rice cooker. And then this was gonna go on our barbecue grill as a Father's Day present. So there you have it, super easy, and you can personalize just about anything.